Last lesson, we looked at how to set up a basic formula using a spreadsheet in Microsoft Excel. This usually involves subtracting, dividing, adding, or multiplying two cell values together. So a formula is just a calculation that only usually involves two cell values. In this case, the cell value in cell A1 is 5, and the value in cell B1 is 10. I'm going to use a simple formula in my spreadsheet to add these two cell values together, and I want the answer to show in cell C1 to keep everything tidy and together. So I find it best to say it in my head, the formula, as I'm going through it. So for example, in cell C3 is equal to, so I put an equals, which we should remember lets Excel know that we want to start a formula. So it equals the value in cell A1, and remember we just want to add the value in cell A1. I don't write 5, I put the cell reference. Then we choose our operator, which in this case is a plus, so I choose plus on the keyboard. Remember, this could be minus, divide, or multiply, but in this case I'm just choosing to do a simple addition. So I press the plus symbol, and then I choose the other cell value that I want to use in the equation, which is B1. So I click on B1, and then all I need to do is press enter, and the formula should have worked, which as we can clearly see is 15. So there we can see that it's worked. It's a very simple process. Now remember that it doesn't matter where in the spreadsheet you actually perform these formulas, you just have to make sure that you set the formula up correctly, and Excel will do the rest. So in the next video we're going to be looking at something slightly different. We're going to be looking at how to use functions, and in the next video we're going to get straight into a practical activity.